there are companies talaga na babaratin kayo, especially kapag newbie kayo, no? Iti-take advantage kayo. Genuine question, bakit po kasi ganyan yung offer sa corporate job kahit no BPO experience kung yung work and information overload naman is masakit talaga sa ulo. So itong comment na to guys is comment dun sa isang video na ginawa ko kung saan may nag-comment din, nagtanong na kung okay daw ba yung 18K package plus a chance to earn 20,000 if maganda yung performance. Sabi ko dun negative. No, negative yung offer na yun kasi yung 20,000 na yun is depende yun sa performance mo. Now, hindi naman laging okay yung performance mo. So, yung 18K is kulang na kulang talaga. So guys, to set your expectation, hindi naman pare-parehas yung offer dito sa call center industry. Nakadepende po yan sa company, sa accounts nyo. There are companies talaga na babaratin kayo, especially kapag newbie kayo, no? Iti-take advantage kayo dahil of course, newbie kayo, first, and second is iisipin nila, wala pa kayo masyadong alam sa kalakalan dito sa call center. And of course, dito kasi sa call center, basta newbie, wala ka kasing karapatan pa mag-demand, no, ng sahod mo. But meron tayong mga techniques dyan on how you can demand a salary even if you're a newbie. What I can assure you is you can earn about 20K dito sa call center industry as a newbie. But also, to set your expectation, don't expect na makakaabot agad kayo ng 30K offer dito sa call center kapag newbie pa lang kayo. Kasi dito guys, sa call center, mostly nakakakuha ng 30K na is yung may mga 2 years plus experience. Lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo na explore your options. No, don't settle for just one company. No, mag-apply kayo sa multiple companies and then pag-compare nyo kung sino yung mas malaking offer, yun yung tatanggapin nyo. Now, I'm gonna show you the things that I'm doing in order for me to demand a salary. Even during nung time na newbie pa lang ako, up until now, ginagamit ko pa din to. Ginagawa ko pa din to kapag meron akong company gustong pag-applyan. I'm doing a research first before I apply to a single company. No, visit their website, social media page. No, kasi marami sila dong advertisements na pwede kang makapag-earn na ganitong amount kapag nag-apply ka sa amin. Now, yun yung ginagamit ko sa kanila. I remember yung newbie ako, sabi ko during interview, kasi nagtatanong sila dyan, what is your expected salary? So, I came across one of their advertisements, one of their posts sa social media page nila na sabi nila you can earn as much as 30,000 if you apply with us. No? So, yun yung ginamit ko. Now, tinanong na nila ako, what's your expected salary? Sabi ko, as a newbie and without any experience in this industry, I'm not expecting that much. But I came across one of your posts in your social media page that I can earn as much as 30K. Now, my salary expectation is at least 23,000 up to that amount, which is 30K. So, that is my limit. Yun yung limit ko na sinet ko, 23. So, you know what guys, yung offer nila sa akin is 24,000. But if a company has really a maximum package na binibigay sa mga newbies, wala na kayong maide-demand pa doon. No? So, they're just going to check if they can give you the salary that you want. But if meron talaga silang limit or meron talaga silang specific package for the newbie, wala na kayong magagawa doon. Yung chance lang ng binigay ko sa yung technique na ginagawa ko din is for them to know na you are open, no? From that range, kung pwede din nilang taasan up to 30K. So, 23,000 if you really did well in your interview and of course, okay yung mga skills mo. They can offer you a much higher than 23,000 than your limit para kunin mo talaga yung trabaho, maybe lower. And also, by using that technique, guys, makukuha nyo yung maximum offer nila sa mga newbie. No? So, kapag hindi nila na-meet yung salary expectation mo, magsasabi naman yung mga yan, honest naman yan. No? Sasabihin nila, sorry, we only offer a maximum of this amount to our newbies or new hires, especially with those experience. That is the maximum that we can do and that is non-negotiable. At least nakuha mo na yung maximum offer nila for a newbie, di ba? Hindi ka nila binabaan. No, kasi kapag sinabi mo na parang wala kang ideya kung ano yung possible na kitain mo, parang binibigyan mo sila ng idea, pwede ka itong baratin. Ganun yung mga yan, guys. No? So, yun. It might help you to get a higher salary yung technique ko na ginagawa. No? So, yes, you need to do a little bit of work in order for you to demand the salary that you deserve, no? And also para ma-discover mo din kung ano yung maximum offer na binibigay nila sa mga newbies. And even now, kahit na may experience na ako, ganun yung ginagawa ko, and I always get the maximum na may offer nila based on my experience. No, so guys, yun lang. Sana nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. And good luck po sa mga newbies natin dyan. Huwag po tayong susuko during training. And of course, always do your best before applying para, of course, you can land the job in one try. No? So yun lang. Bye-bye.